Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export chat history on Telegram. So far, you need to install your Telegram app on your PC and then connect this app to your mobile phone app. So after connecting, go to the chat which you want to export. I will export this chat. Tap on this. After this, you will see the 3 dots. Tap on this and tap on the third number, Export Chat. From here, select what you want to export, like photos, videos, voice or video messages, and here is the option size limit. You can also arrange the size limit of your file by yourself. Just by swiping this line to the right side, when you set the size limit of your file, the file whose size is higher than the limit will not be exported. So put the size by yourself, like I will set this to 8 MB. And then select one of these. After selecting, you will find the option Export. Tap on this. As you can see, it starts exporting, and it will take a while. So, as you see that the chat has been exported. Now tap on this to show my data. And here is my chat history. Now I am opening this. So, as you see, here is my chat history. In this way, you can export your chat history on the Telegram app. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.